up on the roof, dealing with some standing water. Firefighter boots on. So I'm walking around looking for a roof conductor. Here's one, and I can see the problem. Partially plugged. Water isn't getting up over the top to the center of it where it isn't plugged, but at the level the water is at, there's debris on it. I'm going to walk further down where there's more standing water, and yeah, same thing, debris on the screen for the roof conductor. Over here, underneath our chiller, it's plugged up too. So it looks like I just got to clean this off, and that ought to take care of the standing water. Alright, so let me just clear this off. You can see and hear the water just rushing in. Finish clearing the debris on this one and take care of the other two. You might be able to see through the grate how much water is rushing in. Pulling debris off of one side. All that it takes. I'm going to have to get a trash bag and come up here and get the debris. I don't want to just throw it over here and let it get rinsed right back in, so I got to let the water level drop. Set it on top of this covering for now. See how fast the water is draining. Rushing in there. Rain's a lot better when this isn't covering it. So it's been more than an hour. It's still draining, but for the most part, the majority of the standing water is gone. Now it's just time to bag all this stuff up, throw it away. Just another day in the life of a facilities technician. Thanks for watching. The next day and everything is dry.